Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong Jupiter in Gemini. So itong transit na to, isang taon siya. No? So from May 2024, nag-start siya ng May 2024 hanggang June 2025. Okay? So we will see what's coming to you, what are the energies coming kasi Jupiter is the planet of abundance, blessings, good luck. Ayan, so if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So, for you, Sagittarius, itong Jupiter transit ay nasa inyong 7th house of relationship. Ayan. So, maaring andito yung blessings for you, no? Sa relationship ninyo, you may be, being in a relationship kung single ka. Pwede rin makakakilala ka ng mga taong very supportive sa'yo sa mga ginagawa mo. Can be romantic or friends, no? This is also about partnership. So, pwedeng iba rin sa inyo, you will meet someone na magiging business partners. Or, pwede namang existing na to, no? Kilala mo na siya, kaibigan mo, or romantic partner mo, and then you will start to build a business together. Okay? Because Jupiter is the planet of expansion and also good luck, no? Yung iba naman, some of you siguro ngayong transit na to, itong buong taon na to, May 2024 to June 2025, you will spend more time with your romantic partner. Mas magta-travel kayo together. You will grow as partners, as a couple, no? Part ng growth nyo is also learning. So, pwedeng pareho kayo mag-aaral or i-improve nyo yung inyong knowledge through research, through enrolling sa mga courses, online courses, or pwede ring sa mga traditional schools, no? But for you, you will be more connected romantically with someone. Okay? So, yung mga single dyan, there's a possibility na mahanap nyo na ang inyong mapapangasawa dyan sa transit na yan. Pwede kayong ma-engage, no, during this transit. And then, meron tong trine sa Pluto, which is in Aquarius in your 3rd house. So, 3rd house is about your communication skills, friendships din to. So, maaring itong makikilala mong or magiging romantic partner mo ay isang kaibigan or kumbaga meron na kayong foundation ng person na to. Yung iba, no, yung tipong marirealize nyo na, si ganito pala. Kasi kilala mo na no? Pwedeng kilala mo na tong taong to na madi-develop over time. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ng transformation yung inyong relationship, yung inyong connection with this person, and you will realize na, okay, I think this is the right time, no, to settle down, to get into a serious relationship. Okay? And also, Pluto is the planet of transformation, major change, cycles, no? So, I think you will also be supported, no, sa mga goals and dreams mo, especially if you want, gusto mong mag-aral pa, magdagdag ng bagong knowledge to improve yourself. So, I see you na being supported by the people na talagang naniniwala sa iyong kakayanan. So, let's see what else. Yes, travel opportunities for some of you. Pwede rin sa transit na to, if you are already in a relationship, meron kayong magpartner, meron kayong i-explore na bagong belief system na pareho kayo nakaka-resonate doon. Pwede ring change ng religion. Diba? So, just take what resonates. But for some of you, itong relationship ninyo nag-grow. Mas nagiging mature enough kayo, mas nagiging responsible kayo in keeping this relationship stronger. And you will have more time, more energy to, explore together. Okay, let's see what else. You have the Knight of Swords. Meron kayong mga aasikasuhin, no? Oo. Can be documents or anything that needs to be done na kailangan gawin. So, di ba sa inyo pwede may mga biglaang travels during this transit. So, you have the Strength card, Leo energy, the Fool. Yeah, so yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong biglaang marriage. Okay? Ito yung tipong you will take some risk in getting into a very serious relationship. You have the Four of Swords that is healing from your past, and also the Queen of Swords. So meron kang mga, yung iba sa inyo, you may be cutting off connections from someone na sa tingin mo hindi na nakakatulong sa pag-unlad mo. Can be anyone, can be a friend or a family member. Ayan o, Ten of Swords. So this is ending a toxic situation or a stressful relationship with someone. Okay? And parang you will just keep mo lang yung mga taong naniniwala sa kakayanan mo, yung mga taong alam mong nakasuporta sa mga gagawin mo. So, mas magiging maingat ka rin sa pagpili, no? Pwede kasing you are single but also nagiging maingat ka rin sa pipiliin mong person sa buhay mo. Like a romantic partner. You have the Ten of Wands. Maraming responsibilities, lalo na kung you are partnering with someone na kumbaga siya ay head of the family rin. Halimbawa, pareho kayo eldest, no, ng person mo, and pareho kayo responsible for your immediate family, no, sa parents ninyo. So pwedeng pareho kayo hardworking. You are, kumbaga nagtutulungan kayo para ma-fulfill rin yung dreams ninyo for your family. Halimbawa, for your parents. Ayan. You have the Hangman. So, bagong perspective sa buhay. I think dito na papasok yung mga bago nyong belief system. Pwede ngayon, nire-reassess nyo yung dati nyong pinaniniwalaan na is it still, kumbaga may sense pa rin ba yun sa'yo? Kung wala na, yung mga dati mong belief system, maaring may babaguhin ka or may bago kang paniniwala, no, sa buhay. You also have the Ace of Cups. So some of you talaga, new relationships, may potential partnership dito. Especially that you are taking care of yourself so well. So kumbaga, ito rin yung time na kaya ka makaka-attract ng romantic partner is because parang mas nag-glow ka rin ngayon. You are getting a lot of attention because you are finally taking care of yourself. Kasi pwedeng isinantabi mo yung sarili mo para makapag-serve sa ibang tao. But yun nga, napabayaan mo yung sarili mo. This is also the time for you to take care of yourself, to be more, to practice self-love, self-care, ganyan. So, maaring iba sa inyo, improving your physical appearance, eating more healthy, no? Kumbaga, mas mag-focus ka sa well-being mo ngayon. You will also take care of your skin. Kumbaga, you want to glow up. Ayan. So, syempre, pag nag-glow up ang isang tao, mas nagiging attractive, mas nagsa-stand out, mas napapansin talaga. So, maaring dahil dyan, mas ma-attract mo yung person na para sa iyo, no? And you also have the Two of Pentacles, a lot of work to do. Yung iba sa inyo, multitasking, lalo na kung you are planning to get married, no, during this transit. So, syempre, you have to prepare for the marriage, no? You have to prepare for the wedding. So, kumbaga may mga multitasking kang gagawin. Pagsasabay-sabayin ang work at business para mas marami kang maipon, no? So, this is about a new chapter in your life related sa romantic connections. So, yung mga single dyan, it's time to go out, have fun, no? Connect with more people, be out in the open, no? And explore your opportunities. So, you have the Judgment card. This is also transformation, rebirth. It's a brand new you. Ito yung masasabi mo na upgraded version mo. The Judgment card is about realizing what works for you and what doesn't, no? may mga bagay na alam mong mas unlad or mas nagpapaayos ng buhay mo, yun yung ipagpapatuloy mong gawin. At yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi siya helpful sa growth mo, yun yung ile-let go mo na. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye!